Hi guys, I'm here at Christchurch Airport. I'm going to pick up our JUCY Cabana which we rented for our 15 days road trip around South New Zealand. So hit like and subscribe so you won't miss our ultimate itinerary for a 15 days road trip around South New Zealand, which is really amazing. So we're here at JUCY Christchurch. We've got picked up from the airport and we rented this snow chain as well for 40 bucks because we might need it because we did this one towards the end of the winter. So without further ado, this is the walkthrough of our JUCY Cabana.
In a camper van and always staying on the campsite, especially with this JUCY condo, we have to remove all our bags and then set up the bed, put all our bags here in the front seat, then sleep, then take off the bed again, then take all of those belongings back here. That's the life. This is the inside. Just a normal chair at the back, and this one as well. It will be converted to a bed, which I will show you. It says on the their website that it will fit 2 large bags and 2 small bags. It doesn't mean it will fit underneath the chair, but it will fit just inside of it. So there's a bag in here plus bag in here. So you take note that you have to remove all the bags before you can convert this chair into a bed, which we will show you later. And this is what's inside passenger. Diba? It's so bright. Stang luma. Now you can see it. So it's bright. So it's a power steering. This is where the, what do you call this again? Change gear thingy. It's not in the side. And the handbrake is a foot brake. Now we're setting up the bed from the inside, and we need to move the chair first. First things first. It's dark, sorry. Gora. Sobrang dig ayun. And the magic one set of pillowcase and everything in between. So done. This is the bed. Blinds, which can trap the cold from outside. Cozy, comfy, everything else. And I'm gonna show you what's in the back of the JUCY condo. So you have a sink here, which is a pump. I haven't used it really because we use the kitchen, the facilities of the campsite where we go. So what do you just pump it here? Yeah, it's the water, and it will just flow at the bottom. And this is the fresh water. That's why we use our, if you wanna wash dishes, it's not suitable for drinking. And use the butane hook. The butane should be here. there. It's on the side. Water, which is we bought that water. And we have fridge. I cannot find the key. And we have some foods in here. Oh, and that's it really. And the fridge, the socket is here on the side. And this is not a self-contained van, so it means the water will only last long for 2 days. So you have to camp where there is facilities, where there's kitchen, toilet, so you can use them instead of using this at the back. This is just for emergency purposes for ourselves.
So that's it guys, just a short and simple walkthrough of the JUCY Cabana now in 2022, and hope you like and subscribe because I'm going to upload soon our 15 days road trip in South New Zealand.